Welcome to today's training, Maximizing Your Education Tax Benefits for 2025. I'm Jayden Doyé, the law firm CPA. For many law firm owners, education never really stops. Whether you're paying for continuing legal education, advanced certifications, or helping fund a child's college tuition, education expenses can add up quickly. The good news is that the tax code provides several ways to reduce that financial burden. Today, we'll walk through key deductions, credits, and planning strategies that can help you maximize your education-related tax savings. Education tax benefits apply to more than just tuition. Qualified expenses may include fees, books, supplies, and sometimes required equipment. These benefits may apply when the student is you, your spouse, or a dependent. Multiple tax benefits can apply in the same year, but the same expense cannot be used for more than one benefit. Also, if you withdraw funds from an IRA to pay for qualified education costs, you may be able to avoid the 10% early withdrawal penalty. Next, let's talk about deductions. Deductions reduce your taxable income, which lowers the amount of tax you owe. One common example is the student loan interest deduction. Taxpayers may deduct up to $2,500 in interest paid during the year. If you operate your own law practice, certain education expenses that maintain or improve professional skills may also qualify as business deductions. Keep in mind that income limits may affect eligibility. Tax credits are often more valuable than deductions because they reduce your tax bill dollar for dollar. The American Opportunity Credit can provide up to $2,500 per eligible student. The Lifetime Learning Credit offers up to $2,000 per tax return and can apply to a wider range of education programs, including graduate courses and professional training. Both credits are claimed using Form 8863, but the same student cannot claim both credits for the same expenses in the same year. This chart compares the American Opportunity Credit and the Lifetime Learning Credit. The American Opportunity Credit applies primarily to the first 4 years of higher education and is partially refundable. The Lifetime Learning Credit is more flexible and can apply to continuing education, certifications, or graduate programs. For many professionals, including law firm owners pursuing advanced training, the Lifetime Learning Credit is often the applicable option. Normally, withdrawing money from an IRA before age 59 and a half results in a 10% penalty. However, that penalty may be waived when the funds are used for qualified education expenses. These expenses may include tuition, books, and in some cases, room and board. The expenses can be for you, your spouse, your child, or even your grandchild. Income tax may still apply to the withdrawal. Education savings plans can also help reduce the long-term tax cost of education. 529 plans allow investments to grow tax-free when used for qualified education expenses. Another option is the Coverdell Education Savings Account, which allows contributions of up to $2,000 per year and offers slightly more flexibility for certain education costs. Some education benefits may not need to be reported as income. Scholarships and grants used for tuition are generally tax-free. Employers may provide up to $5,250 per year in tax-free education assistance. In addition, interest from certain U.S. savings bonds may also be excluded when used for qualified education expenses. Proper coordination is key when claiming education tax benefits. You cannot use the same expense to claim multiple credits or deductions. However, careful planning can help maximize your overall tax savings. In some cases, taxpayers may even include a tax-free scholarship as income in order to qualify for a larger tax credit. Education tax benefits can save you thousands, but only if they're applied correctly. Review your eligibility carefully and keep clear records of tuition, books, and payments. If you want help maximizing your education-related tax savings, scan the QR code to book a consultation.